Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you one very useful software which will help you to retrieve lost license keys or the product keys of your respective softwares that you have installed in your Windows PCs. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any web browser. So after opening the web browser, you need to go to this website www.nsauditor.com. So when you log in to this website for the first time, you will see its web page. So to download the respective software which I have mentioned is you need to click on the download options. So when you click on the download options, you will get a pop-up notifications to download the software. So you click on the download to download the software, or you can do one more thing. You can go to the products for Windows. You can go a product key recovery. You can select product key explorer 2 and download your respective softwares. So as I've already downloaded software, so I'm not going to download it again. So you download and install it in your Windows computer, and once you download and install it, you open or run the software. On opening or running the software for the first time, you will see its user interface or how the software look like. So here you don't need to do anything. So here in the left side you can see authorized mode here. So use my login or password. So I'm not putting anything here. No need to do anything right now. So on the right side here in the parameters section, you can see a select computers to scan or find product keys. So right now I don't have any external computers connected to my primary computer, so I don't need to select any computers since I'm using a single computer right now. So when you click on this find product keys, then this software will display all the respective softwares which has a product key installed in your Windows computer. So sometimes what happens, you have purchased some software and you install it, so suddenly you forget that product key or you have lost those product keys or the license keys. So this software will help you to retrieve or find out what is the product key or the license key of the respective softwares that you have installed in your Windows computers. So when you click on the find product keys, you can see a green button blinking in the below. So here a respective software's product key will be displayed here. So you can copy it and save it in your notepad or even in the Microsoft Excel software too, and use it for the future purposes. So in my opinion, this software is very useful if you want to retrieve your lost password or the product key of the respective softwares that you have installed in your Windows computers. So in my opinion, you should definitely check this out and try it out by yourself. And if you find any difficulty using this software, leave your comments below. I will try my best to help you in your respective problems. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.